guys, in this video, I'm going to share to you the simple usage of pivot table. We use pivot to organize and summarize group of data. Now here in this example, this is our data. We have our field, the supplier, item, month, price per item, number of sold items, and then the sales. Okay, to start, let's click on the Insert tab here, and then click Pivot Table. As you noticed, now our data is automatically selected the range, since we did not highlight any table that we want to pivot. Okay, since our range here is okay, so we go to the next option. Choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. If we click on this new worksheet, it will automatically generate a new sheet here to put our pivot table. Now, in this example, I just want to use sheet 2, so let me click on existing worksheet and then click the sheet and then click the cell and then click OK. Now, so this is our pivot table. Now, we have the options here in this area on how are we going to organize the summary of our data. Just drag the fields in this area here, like the supplier. We want it to be in a row label. So if we drag the supplier here, it will display the suppliers by row. Now, if we want to see the total sales, just like what we did, we just drag the sales in these values. In this value, we have more options. Just click in this arrow here and then click on the value field settings, and then these are our options on how we going to display the values. We have the count, average, minimum, maximum, but in this example we just want the sum of sales and click OK. So this is our data set. Now, if you want to show the pivot options, just click the anywhere in this pivot table, then it will display the pivot table field list. Okay. Now, depending on how you want to summarize your data, just drag the fields here in this area. Like for example, we want to show the month, then just drag the month here to show our sales by month. So this is our sales for the month of January, February, then December, and we have the grand total sales. Now, if you want to just display the sales for the month of February or March, just click in this arrow here. Then we are going to filter or select the month of March. Then click OK. So it only displays the sales on the month of March. So that's it. Now, if you want more filters or you want supplier like this one, you're just going to drag the supplier into report filter. Then I just add items into row labels. So this is our items, and then I just want to display the supplier of AS app. So click OK. Our supplier EFS app it only displays these items are from the suppliers of AFS app. Just click in this arrow here for more options on how are we going to filter the data. Okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Shout out po tayo kina Quinak. We made this video for Quinak. I need this, baka may Pivot tutorial ka dyan, yung super easy sundan. Hihi. Ito po, Quinak. And then Curtis Silent TV. Nice tutorial bro, pa-shoutout ako sa next video mo. Okay, shoutout po tayo sa ating Quinak, Curtis Silent TV, at sa ating mga chat user dyan at kaibigan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.